Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Horizon. My name is Dave and today I'm going to show you how to install Telegram Desktop on your Raspberry Pi. The method that I'm going to show you in this video will basically work on any Raspberry Pi that is able to run Raspbian, or better said the Raspberry Pi OS. A quick note, I'm actually only making this video because surprisingly a lot of you requested it. If there's any specific video you want me to make, please let me know in the comment section below. And by the way, you can also find the full detailed guide with all of the commands on my website, so you can simply copy and paste them. With that said, let's get started. Before installing Telegram Desktop, you're going to have to open up the terminal and update your Pi by typing sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Once you've done that, you're going to have to reboot your Pi in order to apply the changes by typing sudo reboot. After that, you're going to have to install two different packages by clicking on the links in the description below. Here, simply click on the highlighted link and it should start downloading. Same thing with the other package. Once you've done that, open up the terminal and type the following command. Then cd into the downloads folder and type the following command to install it. Now you should be able to find Telegram Desktop in the menu under Internet. If for some reason Telegram doesn't work or doesn't even open up in the first place, don't panic. Simply open up the terminal again, type sudo su for super user, and type sudo apt fix broken install. Once you've done that, Telegram Desktop should open up and you can enter your phone number and finally start using it. But other than that, that'll be it for today. Despite this video being shorter than usual, I still hope you enjoyed it, and more importantly, I hope I managed to help you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see straight to the point tech related videos and tutorials just like this in the future, you're welcome to subscribe. See you in the next one.